Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn amazing tricks about autofill. If you want to fill days, months, years increment, you can use this technique. Here you can see here date, and I want to autofill. Just drag it to the bottom. Now you can see here 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan, 4th Jan, 5th Jan. Here is a days increment. Now I want to increment month. How can I do that? Just drag it to the bottom, and here is a plus sign. Just click here and select the fill month. Now you can see here Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. This is a month increment. Here I want to increment year. How can I do that? Just drag it to the bottom, and here is a plus sign, and select the fill year. Now you can see here 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. That's way you can increment days, month and years in Microsoft Excel by using autofill option. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.